Okay guys, let me walk you through on Facebook restricted accounts. This is everything you should know or everything you should do when your account is restricted. So don't panic when your account is restricted, but if you can follow these steps, you will get your account back. Okay, so I will take some time to guide you and explain to you on the right steps to follow when you get restricted. Okay, so what to do when my account gets restricted? Okay, now because all your activities on Facebook is being recorded. Yes, it's being recorded. So Facebook records your IP address. Okay, yes, so your IP address is being tracked by Facebook. So you have to do this following. Number one, you need to change your internet provider. When I say your internet provider, maybe your Wi-Fi or the network you're using, assuming you're using your phone as your hotspot to your system or whatever, I advise you to change to another internet. You can use someone else's Wi-Fi to get this sorted out, or maybe you might need to switch to another network to be your internet provider. So you need to change this. Number two, you need to change your browser. Okay, assuming you're using Chrome, for instance, you can decide to change to Opera Mini or whatever. Okay, or you can decide to choose Explorer, as the case may be, but make sure you change your browser. These are simple steps you can take. And also clear your browsing history. Is very important. We've all experienced this, so I am not talking just in assumption. I am talking with experience. This is what I have experienced, and not just me, my clients too, they have this problem too, but I am sharing my personal experience because experience, they say, is the best teacher. Okay, good. So you clear your history. I believe a good number of us, we know how to clear our browser history. You go to your settings, then you wipe your history, your browser history. Okay, remember, when you go through Facebook, your activity is being recorded. Remember, the cookies and all those things are being saved. So when you clear your browser, you've cleared all those cache, all those cookies. Okay, so it's very important you clear your browsing history. If you don't know how to clear browsing history, let me know. I will just guide you on how to do that. It's just from your settings, you go to the settings of your system and wipe off the browsing history. Then the third one is during the review. Okay, during your review, change your Facebook name. Okay, now the thing is this, let me show you an example. Okay, assuming you see something like this, let's just assume you've been restricted like this. So you need to click on see details. Okay, you see where the arrow is pointing, see details, and once you click on see details, you should be able to get the breakdown of what happened to your account. Sorry, I would have shown you a screenshot, but I couldn't. I never knew the screenshot is not attached here. So when you click on details, or see details rather, it will take you, you see where you need to send request for review by the right corner side. Okay, by the right corner side of of the interface. So when you send this request, before you send this request rather, you need to do this. Please, I beg of you, ensure that your Facebook, okay, sometimes Facebook might request for your national means of identification. Okay, you must provide an ID card to be identified with. So now the secret is this, pay attention here, pay attention. The ID card you have to send, make sure the name on your ID card aligns with the name you have as your name on your Facebook account. So some of you will come to Facebook, they will answer Don J. Some people will be like Sweet 16, you know. So you need to change your name. Make sure that the name on your Facebook account tallies with the name on the ID card. This ID card could be your international passport, it could be a valid driver's license, it could be national ID card, you know. But in the situation whereby you don't have all these, maybe you're a student, you can as well use your student ID. But the most important thing here is ensure that you change the name of your Facebook account to the name on your ID card, and do this before submission. You do it 24 hours before you submit for review. Okay, good. Once you change the name on your Facebook account to the name on your ID, then wait for 24 hours. After 24 hours, then submit your request. Okay, once you submit for your request, wait for another 24 hours. Facebook will definitely get back to you within 24 or 48 hours. Is that okay? Good. Now the fourth one, now at the end of the day, if you see permanently deleted when you get your feedback, now no problem, I will guide you on how to get started. People will tell you that once the account is permanently deleted, you can get nobody on earth. It's something I've experienced. As a matter of fact, this is one of my accounts. Okay, this is one of my accounts. So I am not speaking. Social media people will say we know the yarn dust. I am not speaking out of assumption. I am speaking out of experience. Okay, once it's permanently deleted, just don't stress yourself, because at some point I had series of meetings with Facebook support, to the extent we had a video meeting, we had different meeting, mails and what have you. You know, these guys at support, they can't do anything. They can't do anything. They can only at the end of your meetings with them, they can only take your query to the technical team, and the technical team will do nothing. Okay, the technical team will do nothing. So the best advice I am giving you, my friend, my student, is to please, once you see permanently deleted, remember I said permanently deleted. If the feedback is permanently deleted, of which is very rare, at the end of the day, when you follow all these steps, you get your account back, except maybe it has been permanently deleted, you can now create a new account using a different information or detail. Okay, yes, don't make it to look as if is don't create an account that will look as if is similar to the previous one they've permanently deleted. If you try it, the system will still track you. Okay, so now All you need to do is create a fresh account, use a different name, another phone number, or possible another email address. Okay, good. So once you create this account, keep adding friends, bring your friends back to the page, to the, sorry, not page, to your account, bring them back, chat with people, make posts, do all this within 48 hours, like 2 days. Get the account busy. Let's just serve as a fresh account. Put your profile picture, a different profile picture, put your background image and whatever. Keep the account running for 2 days. Then after which you can now create a new page. When you create the new page, link the new page. Already the new page is linked to your account, so you can link it to Instagram if you have an Instagram account which is not disabled. You can link it to your Instagram account and keep this page running for 1 week at most. For 1 week, 7 days. Once you do this for 7 days, go back and start creating your ads. Okay, please, if you don't follow this step, if you do this rush like Nigerians, okay, if you do it like Nigerians, you will still be tracked. Your account will still be tracked. Please, I said do this for 1 week. Follow these steps for 1 week, and your new account will start running. Please, good. Now, for those of us who are not conversant with Facebook policies, advertising policies, please go and study these policies. You can get to these policies by clicking on facebook.com/policies, then center/ads, or once you open your Facebook ads manager's account, you can check for policies and to bring you to this page. Or if you cannot get this, I can help you share the link. Read this very well. All these advertising policies are very important, and you are not expected to violate anyone. Some of them are unknown to us, some of them are very unknown, and we don't know when we make these mistakes, because we're trying to get the best out of our ads. We make mistakes, but please avoid these mistakes. Avoid all of these mistakes, okay? Avoid them. Make sure you study this very well. Study them very well and keep to the advertising policies. It's very, very important, okay? It's very, very important, okay? Thank you. If you have any question, please send me a DM on WhatsApp. And I will respond. If you need me to do more, you can tell me the video you want me to create next, and I will create it. If you have any issue, feel free to contact me. I will help you out, okay? Thank you and have a nice day.